Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my polymer clay work. This is a plate of sweets. I made it as a fridge magnet, but I can use some of them as my future projects. You can see in my some projects inshallah in the future. It's a bread. It's a different type of breads. I made it in here. I can show you. It's a bread basket with some loaf of bread and buns. Fry egg, small burger, use it as a keychain. Plate of samosas with chana and chutney. Slice of pizza, Oreo cookies. And this is a brush. It's actually a brush holder. You can put your brush during the painting on it. This is a coaster. You can put your cup. On the top of it is biscuit coaster. Ice cream plate, scoop of ice creams, some chocolate scoops. Here are some clay lamp. It's called diya. Some blueberries. You can see some of them has a varnish and some of without varnish. I keep some of them without varnish because I want to use it in some more projects. This is a crate of fruit, different fruit, apples, orange, mandarin, tomatoes, fruits and vegetables, carrots as well. I made it with the polymer clay. There is no air dry clay in this one, but in the future I will show you air dry clay project as well. This is all polymer clay and I baked it in the oven. There is some carrots and carrot salwa. These magnets, my little one made these two magnets. And this is also a small dish to put the used brushes, paint brushes. These are the fridge magnets, basket of tomatoes. These are some more magnets I made. And this one is made out of the foam clay. You can see it's different than the polymer clay. Some cactus in the dish. Different type of cactuses. I made some stones. These are the clay stones. And these two cactuses I made from the foam clay. You can see the texture is a bit different than the polymer clay. And this foam clay is air drying clay. It's very light in weight, but it's very hard to make the things with the foam clay. These are cookies in a jar, some sandwiches. I used it as a keychain. Some candies. It's just a fridge magnet of peas. Ice cream sandwiches. This is a cap for one bottle. And this brush holder I made with the foam clay. You can see. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.